In this video, I'm going to show you how you can easily recover deleted messages on TikTok. Be sure to watch the video to the very end so you don't make any mistakes. Let's get started, guys, and first off we need to open up TikTok app and then tap right here to head over to our TikTok profile. Let's say we have accidentally deleted a message and now we want to recover them. All we have to do in that case is just hit right here at three dots, then go to settings and privacy. After that, tap add account and then tap at download your data. On the next step, we can select data for downloading. We can keep all data selected. However, also we can configure it a bit. If we select custom, we'll be able to choose just messages here and then hit done. After that, tap add request data. And then you will be switched to download data tab. Here, as you can see, the data was requested, and then it can take up to 4 days to collect this data and to prepare it for you. And after a while, once it is ready, you will be able to download the requested file to your device. So that's how you can easily recover any TikTok messages, including deleted. Basically, guys, that's it. So if this video was helpful for you, don't forget to hit the like button.